Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need white, gold, and yellow pony beads. You're also going to need some of these flowers. I got these at Walmart. You might be able to find these online, but they're with the buttons. You're also going to need a yellow ball. This one came from a hair tie. So if you go to the kids section or the hair section, you might be able to find these. If not, you could just use a bead, any kind of bead that you have on hand. And you're also going to need one of these flowers. So I already made a tutorial for this, and I will put that underneath the video. And you're going to need scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a long piece of string. This is going to be the pattern that you're going to start with. It's going to go white. I put a glitter, yellow, glitter, white, and then repeat. Once you have all your beads on, you can tie this. You'll cut the small string off. Put your needle on. And we're going to take our needle and go through this white bead. And we're going to put on 3 beads. These right here. So glitter, yellow, glitter. Whoops. And then we're going to go through the white. You're going to repeat that. Go through the white. So we're going to do that all the way around the bracelet. And you're always going through the white bead. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay, once you have all your beads on, to start the next row here, we have to go through this white and these 2 beads. This is what it looks like. So now we're going to add these 3 beads and go through the yellow for each one. So glitter, white, glitter, go through the yellow. Okay, we're going to do that all the way around. So you're going to add glitter, white, glitter, go through the yellow. Okay, go ahead and do that all the way around, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and to start the next row, we're going to go through these 3 beads. So every time you start a new row, you have to go through 3 beads. And we're back to adding glitter, yellow, glitter, and going through the white. Okay, we need 4 more rows, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I ended up doing 3 rows, not 4. So to make sure you have enough, you're gonna have 4 yellow and 3 white, 4 yellow, 3 white, and so on. So this was my last set of beads I added, and I'm coming out of this white. We're gonna take our needle and go all the way to this white. And we're going to take our needle and go through the middle of the flower. Add your yellow bead. And we're going to go through the second white here. So we're coming out of this one, we're going to go through this one. Okay, that's what it looks like. Now we're going to take our needle and go all the way across to get to this yellow. Okay, once you get to that yellow, we're going to add 5 glitter beads. And we're going to go back through the yellow. All these beads to get to this yellow. So that's what it looks like. And we're going to repeat that on all the yellow beads. So 5, go back through that yellow and get up to the next one here. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so we're going to do that all the way around. And then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, this was my last set of beads. And I went through the yellow. And I went through this glitter bead. Now we're going to circle back around to get to this middle bead up here. And then go up these 3. So we just made a path to go up and around to get to this middle bead. Okay, now we're going to take one of these flowers. Well, you know what? I want to use a white. So we're going to do a white pony bead, a flower, and a white pony bead. And we're going to go up this one. And we're going to add a white pony bead. We're going to go back through the flower and then add a white pony bead. You can't see that bead there. And then we're going to go back through this. So I'll let you look and see what that looks like in the inside. And then you want to pull that tight. So we just have 2 beads on both sides. That way this flower will stick up. Okay, now we're going to add yellow, glitter, and yellow. And we're going to go through this bead here. Same thing, we're going to add a white, a flower, and a white. And we're going to go through this middle one. Okay, that's what it looks like. You're going to add a white pony bead. We're going to go back through the flower. Add another white bead. And go through this middle glitter bead. And pull that tight. Then we're going to add a yellow, glitter yellow, and go through this middle. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. We need to repeat that all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, this is what it looks like so far. I have all my flowers on. This was the last one I added. I came out of this glitter bead. We need to get to the other side. So we're going to go through the white pony bead, flower, and the white pony bead. And then you're also going to go through this glitter. Okay, so we just came across and through. And we need to do the same thing we did on this side. Our pattern was yellow, glitter yellow, and then you go through the middle bead. Gonna repeat that. And then we're going through this bead here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way around, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, once you have all your beads on, you're going to pull this tight, and then tie it. I want to do that a few times. And then cut that off. And then at this point, you're going to want to pull all your flowers to get both sides even. But this is what it should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.